A new door can completely transform your home, improving curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. For Fleming Island homeowners, where warm, humid summers and mild winters create unique challenges, proper care after installation ensures your door stays beautiful and functional for years to come. Whether you've upgraded your front entry, patio, or interior doors, following a few seasonal maintenance tips can help protect your investment and maintain top performance all year long. Spring. Inspect and refresh spring in Fleming Island brings mild temperatures and high humidity, making it the perfect time for light maintenance. Start by giving your new door a thorough inspection and cleaning. Clean the surface. Use a soft cloth and mild soap to remove dust, pollen, and grime that may have built up over the cooler months. Avoid harsh chemicals, as they can damage finishes or paint. Check the weather stripping. Look around the edges of your door for cracks, gaps, or loose seals. Proper weather stripping keeps out moisture and improves insulation. Replace damaged strips promptly to prevent air leaks. Lubricate hinges and locks. A small amount of silicone-based lubricant will keep hardware moving smoothly and prevent squeaks or rust caused by humidity. If you have a painted or stained door, consider applying a fresh coat of sealant or UV protective finish in spring to guard against Florida's intense sun later in the year. Summer. Protect against heat and humidity. Summer in Fleming Island means sunshine, heat, and moisture, all of which can take a toll on your doors. During these months, focus on preventing expansion, fading, and moisture damage. Maintain shade and airflow. If your door faces direct sunlight, consider using an overhang, shade screen, or UV-resistant film on nearby windows. This helps reduce fading and heat exposure. Control indoor humidity. Excess moisture can cause wood doors to swell or warp. Keep humidity levels stable with air conditioning or a dehumidifier. Wipe away condensation. Moisture buildup on glass or frames should be cleaned regularly to prevent mold and discoloration. For fiberglass or steel doors, summer is also a great time to check for paint chips or rust spots. Addressing these early prevents long-term deterioration and keeps your door looking fresh and new. Fall. Tighten and tune up as cooler air returns to Fleming Island. Your door will start adjusting to temperature changes. Fall is the perfect season for a quick tune-up before winter sets in. Test the door's alignment. Open and close it several times. If it sticks or scrapes, the frame may have shifted slightly. Professional adjustments can restore a perfect fit. Inspect seals and thresholds. Falling leaves and debris can clog thresholds and compromise weather seals. Keep these areas clean to maintain a tight barrier against drafts. Check caulking. Reapply exterior-grade caulk around trim and frames to block moisture from entering during rainy months. Taking time for these small steps in fall helps your door maintain optimal performance when temperatures start to drop. Winter. Keep it clean and comfortable. While winters in Fleming Island are generally mild, cooler temperatures and occasional cold fronts can still impact your door's performance. Prevent drafts. If you feel cool air near your door, inspect the seal again or use a door sweep at the bottom to keep heat inside. Avoid harsh cleaning products. Stick to mild soap and water when cleaning, especially during drier months when finishes are more sensitive. Check interior humidity. Low indoor moisture can cause wooden doors to shrink slightly. Keep your home's humidity balanced for consistent performance. Winter is also a good time to evaluate your door's insulation performance. If you notice higher heating costs or uneven indoor temperatures, additional weatherproofing may help improve energy efficiency. Year-round tip. Schedule professional maintenance even with regular care. Scheduling a professional inspection once a year can help identify issues you might miss, such as hidden leaks, hinge misalignment, or minor warping. Local experts in Fleming Island door installation understand Florida's weather patterns and can make sure your doors stay in excellent condition through every season. Final thoughts: a well-maintained door does more than look great. It protects your home, improves energy efficiency, and enhances everyday comfort. By following these seasonal care tips, you'll keep your newly installed doors performing their best, no matter what the Florida climate brings. For long-lasting beauty and durability, combine professional installation with proactive maintenance, the perfect recipe for comfortable, stylish living in Fleming Island.